That's a soda pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching Malak. And today we have a manga review. I'm going to be going through. This is the first manga book that I've actually ever owned. I did watch the television series, the anime, before buying the manga, and it's one of my favorite anime. I love the character Revy. She's the main character, Two Hands. And overall, I'd say that, the art style is pretty consistent to the anime. There are, obviously some differences because the anime is a studio interpreting the creator, Ray Hiro's sort of artistic vision and style. One thing I really appreciate about this manga book is that everything is discernible. It's very expressive and, pretty manga in places, but you can generally always tell what's going on even in the action, which I really appreciate. It's got really nice drawings, the style I love. It's just very sharp. Yeah, some of the font choices at the beginning of sections I don't know about, but that's okay. It's probably, it's tough because it is translated. And it's interesting because I feel like the this manga book, it covers a lot of episodes. And so I think there's 12 volumes out now. So I'm interested to see, I'm going to keep buying this one, and I'm interested to see how much of it didn't actually make it into the anime yet. So hopefully I'll be seeing some new story elements. Yeah, I'd say this is a really good one. Black Lagoon is a really good manga to start out with, especially if you're trying to get into it. There's not a whole lot of what I would call anime bullshit. There's no kind of almost pedophilia kind of feeling stuff. There's no accidentally walking in on a shower scene that I remember. The story isn't too complex, but it's still entertaining, and the characters, they have a lot of depth. I feel like they get personality injected into them, not just motivations, but also personality. And so it's easy to become attached to the story and the characters. So overall, if I had to attach a number to this one, I'd say it's about a 9 out of 10. I really love it, and I'm going to keep buying the series. Stay tuned for more of these. I'm going to be trying to open and check out more manga that I'm kind of interested in besides the art books that I usually do. But I do open a lot of original art and art books that you can find on my channel. So check it out. I hope to see you guys again. Take care.
You're such a